Herbert Peabody and the delicious dog treats. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Today we have a very special treat to make. First, we visit our chickens to collect fresh eggs for what we'll bake. Someone's guessed what we're baking. Homemade dog treats for our pup. We crack our eggs and whisk them together and measure the flour in a cup. We add our whisked eggs to the bowl. Some peanut butter will be crunchy and sweet. We add it to our ingredients and mix them all to make our tasty treat. We add some water to make our dough and spread some flour around. This keeps our dough from sticking to the surface. As we knead it into a mound. Now it's time to roll out the dough. To make it thin and flat. Ready to cut out biscuit shapes. We cut them out just like that. Now we add olive oil to a baking dish. This makes sure nothing sticks to the base. We place in our dog treat biscuits, then into the oven for baking to take place. Hooray! Our dog treats are ready. And we think they look A-OK. We love baking treats for all our friends. And can't wait for our next adventure day.